Hello there everyone, it's time to do a new one. We've never actually done this one before. So, let's get started here at Tame Bridge Parkway and we'll kick off with a crossover. As we see 7:30:004 departing now 5 minutes late with 2 Whiskey 26 and 12:14 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Birmingham New Street. And on the other side is 7:30:047. And now on time working 2 Alpha 21 and the 12:19 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Walsall. Okay then, let's get the diverts going. As next up we see 221119 past 1 minute late for cross country with 1 Victor 53 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads.
Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings.
We're going to get bowled out of this, but our first and only freight of the session sees 66591 passing there with 6 Yankee 63 on time from Soho North Junction to Basford Hall Yard Freightliner, but bowling it out the way is 7:30:024 on time with 2 Indigo 24 in the 12:26 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley to Birmingham International. And yeah, it's not going to be a particularly good shot of this freight for the exact reason of bowlage. Oh, I suppose it took till March to get properly bowled. We did well. Alright, and here goes 7:30:024 on time at 12:26 as he heads off up to International.
No. The next train at platform 2 is the 12:29 West Midlands Railway service to Rugeley Trent Valley via Walsall. Calling at Walsall,
Coming the other way for West Midlands Railway is 7:30:034 on time, arriving in with 2 Hotel 47 and the 12:28 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International to Rugeley Trent Valley.
Now the one we dug the race with a boat.
And off out he heads on time. Okay, even more cross-country action. That was next up. We see 221111 pass on time with 1 Oscar 16 for cross-country from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. For cross country is 221134 passing on time with 1 Mike 37 from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. And arriving into finish Next up for the second time this session, we see 7:30:047. Arriving in 1 minute late with 2 Whiskey 28 and the 12:45 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Birmingham New Street, and as he arrives in, that is a good session for the first time at Tame Bridge Parkway, all done.